What's going on? So today I am rolling up on a job. It's a big one. We're doing 3 buildings over here, and I'm dropping off some surfactant and checking in just to make sure everything's looking good. We typically don't use surfactants other than doing roofs, but as you can see, we got some weird looking awnings all around. They're white, they're dirty, and we need the SH to stay on them just a little bit longer. So I'm bringing up some Southern Drawl, the lemon scented goodness from Southeast Soft Wash. It does a great job. So I'm gonna go take it to the guys. So this is a pretty big one. We're doing this building, we're doing this building, and we're doing this building back here. Not only are we doing the pressure washing of all the buildings and these crazy awnings, we're cleaning all of the exterior windows. We're on day 2, like I said. They have already done this building, they've already done the small building, and they have got about 3/4 of the 3rd large building already done. So I'm gonna take a walk around, and while I do that, I wanted to talk to you guys about expectations. And I'm not talking about anything like customer expectations, because everyone talks about that. I'm talking about your expectations, or rather setting realistic expectations for your business and for yourself, because I think all too often people expect instant results, and that just isn't reality. You may watch our videos and think, oh man, they're just killing it down there in Savannah. Busy all the time, can't find enough employees to cover the work, turning down work and losing work because they can't get there fast enough. And while that's true, it didn't happen overnight. It took a long time and a lot of hard work to get to that point. We didn't start 6 months ago. We didn't start 12 months ago. We didn't start 10 years ago. And it wasn't from handing out a couple hundred flyers or putting a few bandit signs out and waiting for the phone to ring. It was tens of thousands of flyers, thousands of bandit signs, knocking on doors, asking for referrals, building a customer base. We've been at this for a very long time, and we've spent a tremendous amount of time and money figuring out what works and, more importantly, what doesn't work. If you've watched any of my videos where I've talked about the beginnings of our business, you know that the phone didn't just start ringing because I decided to start a pressure washing business. The truth is, it was a struggle for me, just like it is for so many of you guys. I hear things from y'all all the time. We're only doing 2 or 3 jobs a week. I'm so stressed out, I'm freaking out. And other folks questioning if starting the business was a huge mistake. Look, being stressed out, freaking out, and questioning yourself is normal, but understanding that that is all part of owning your own business is essential. If this was easy, everyone would be doing it. But you need to have realistic expectations. I can't guarantee you're going to be successful, but I can guarantee that if you take all of the steps needed to build a strong foundation for your business, everything from the marketing of your business, getting your name out there, whether it's bandit signs, flyers, postcards, knocking on doors, picking up the phone and calling folks, if your heart is in it and you're dedicated for the long haul, you're going to make it. Even with the world's best brands and products, if customers don't know you exist, they aren't going to buy from you because they can't find you. And that's why marketing your business from day one is crucial to your success. Not only to build your brand and drive customers to you, but to position your business as the best in the market. It's real easy to get lost in the crowd of all these pressure washing companies that are around you. So you need to figure out what you do best and focus on that. And yeah, it can get very frustrating and very discouraging and can get very scary. And if you get on YouTube and see videos of people telling you they're making so much money and living the life, you can get even more frustrated because your business isn't there yet. Now, keep in mind that 50%, more like 70% of what you see on here is complete BS. And the guys that are actually making the good money and making it look easy, they did things right from the beginning. They didn't just buy a pressure washer and think the phone was going to start ringing, or that they were just going to automatically rank #1 on Google because they signed up. They put in the work on the sales side. They put in the work on the marketing side, on the SEO and website side, to ensure that they were going to get busy and stay busy and get found by their customers. And I promise you that it didn't happen overnight for any of them. There are no guarantees in life or business. The only guarantee I know of is hard work, dedication, and setting yourself up to win is going to help you. Don't measure your worth or success based on others or your perception of others. Only measure it based on yourself and your own business. I know it sounds cliche, but there's an old saying that says, all good things come to those who wait. And while that's difficult to live with as you're sitting there and you got a truck payment, you got a bunch of equipment, and you got no scheduled appointments, but I promise you it's going to happen. Put in the work. The saying really should be, all good good things come to those that put in the work and don't give up. Look, I hope that this helped. It's just been weighing on me and I wanted to put it out there. Business isn't easy. Things aren't easy. Life isn't fair all the time. But if you do your best, you're gonna succeed. Hope you guys have a great day.